Did you know baking soda could change your life? Yes, you heard that right. This ordinary kitchen staple is a magical genie waiting to grant your wishes. We're about to reveal 8 secret tricks that turn baking soda into your best friend. From beauty secrets to cleaning hacks, dental wonders to deodorant alternatives, it's got you covered. Brace yourselves because these tricks will astound you, and yes, they have the potential to change your life. So, are you ready for the revelation? Stay tuned to learn these life-changing tricks. Ever wondered how to get clear skin without spending a fortune? Well, you're in for a treat. The secret to radiant skin is hiding right in your pantry. Baking soda, yes, you heard it right. Baking soda is a fantastic facial scrub. It's gentle, natural, and won't break the bank. Here's how you can unlock this beauty secret. You start by taking a tablespoon of baking soda. Next, mix it with just enough water to create a smooth paste. Remember, the consistency is key here. You don't want it too runny or too thick. Now gently apply this paste on your face using circular motions. This mild scrub will gently exfoliate your skin, removing dead skin cells, unclogging pores, and leaving your skin feeling fresh and rejuvenated. Just remember, baking soda is potent, so use this scrub once or twice a week at most. There you have it. A cost-effective beauty secret right in your kitchen. Are you tired of stubborn stains on your kitchen surfaces and utensils? Let's explore how baking soda can be your secret weapon in the fight against grime. Welcome to the world of cleaning hacks, where baking soda reigns supreme. This everyday household item is a hidden gem, a true unsung hero in the realm of cleaning. Baking soda, with its mild, abrasive nature, is perfect for scrubbing away those tough stains without damaging your surfaces. Imagine your favorite coffee mug, stained from countless cups of joe. Just a sprinkle of baking soda, a dash of water, and a gentle scrub can make it good as new. Even your stained kitchen sink can regain its shine with this wonder product. From grimy ovens to stained teacups, baking soda is the knight in shining armor, ready to battle all your stubborn stains. It's affordable, non-toxic, and incredibly effective. What's not to love? Say goodbye to pesky stains and hello to sparkling clean surfaces. Want a dazzling white smile without a dentist's appointment? Baking soda is your answer. This humble kitchen staple is a natural teeth whitener, efficiently removing stains and discoloration. It's true. Its mild abrasive properties scrub away surface stains, while its alkalinity neutralizes mouth acidity, making it harder for bacteria to grow. To reap the benefits, simply mix a pinch of baking soda with water to form a paste, brush your teeth with it, and rinse. Do this twice a week and voila, get ready to flash those pearly whites. Ever thought of a natural, chemical-free deodorant? Well, let's introduce you to the wonders of baking soda. It's not just for baking, folks. When applied under the arms, baking soda can actually absorb sweat and eliminate body odor. Now, isn't that a breath of fresh air? All you need is a pinch of it, applied directly or mixed with water for a paste. So next time you're in a pinch, reach for the baking soda. Stay fresh and chemical-free all day long. Looking for a solution to greasy hair and dandruff? Well, let me let you in on a secret. Baking soda, that's right. The humble baking soda can be your hair care hero. Now, you might be thinking, baking soda? In my hair? But hear me out. This unassuming kitchen staple can work wonders when it comes to clarifying your hair. It helps remove excess oil, making it an excellent solution for those days when your hair feels a bit too greasy. But that's not all. Baking soda also tackles dandruff by gently exfoliating your scalp, getting rid of those pesky flakes. To use, simply mix a tablespoon of baking soda with water to form a paste. Apply it to your hair, leave it on for a few minutes, and then rinse. Voila! You've got yourself a DIY hair wash that's as effective as it is economical. Unlock the secret to healthy, shiny hair. Ever experienced heartburn after a heavy meal? Let's dive into the world of baking soda and its miraculous antacid properties. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, has the ability to neutralize stomach acid due to its alkaline nature. This makes it a fantastic, natural alternative to over-the-counter antacids. Picture this. You've just indulged in a delicious but perhaps overly rich dinner. Your stomach revolts, sending waves of discomfort up your chest. What do? Reach for that box of baking soda. Mix a half teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water. It's that simple. Now remember, moderation is key. While baking soda is a natural solution, its high sodium content can lead to other health issues if used excessively. Consult your doctor if you have frequent heartburn. So, the next time your tummy throws a tantrum, remember the baking soda trick. An easy and quick remedy for heartburn right in your pantry. To recap, we have uncovered some amazing uses of baking soda. This humble kitchen staple, it turns out, is a veritable jack of all trades. The beauty secret we unveiled first was a game changer. Baking soda, when used as an exfoliant, can leave your skin glowing and as soft as a baby's. The cleaning hack, too, was a revelation. Who knew that such a simple compound could be so effective at removing stubborn stains and grime? Then came the dental wonder, a trick that could give you a dazzling smile without breaking the bank. Baking soda, it seems, has natural whitening properties that can brighten your teeth. The deodorant alternative was another unexpected revelation. Ditch those chemical-laden deodorants and embrace the natural freshness of baking soda. It neutralizes odors without causing any harm to your skin. Our hair care solution was something truly special. Baking soda can cleanse your hair of product buildup and leave it shiny and bouncy. The antacid alternative was the icing on the cake. Baking soda can help to neutralize stomach acid and provide relief from heartburn and indigestion. The versatility of baking soda is truly astonishing. Each of these secrets has the potential to make your life easier, healthier, and more eco-friendly. So, are you ready to change your life with baking soda?